So this is my DIY keg washer. We ordered a sump pump off Amazon with the washer. We got some 3/4 PVC from the hardware store. This screws onto the top. Then we cut a piece to put a threaded barb in for the pickup. Then the rest of the pieces go together, and here it is assembled. Then we just cut some holes in the top of a lid and let it drain. So just real quick, down and dirty, it's a DIY keg washer. I wasn't sure if it had enough power to push through the pickup. I've always wondered that when I washed my little kegs. So I pulled the piece out to see how much actual fluid came through there, and there we have it.